magic mirror. Greetings, one and all, short and tall, big and small. My name is Amina Blackwood-Meeks, and what about the little girl from Manitoba? The little girl from Manitoba. One time, you see, there was a Mr. Mention who had a son who had reached the age of marrying. And Mr. Mention wanted to make sure that anybody who married his son did have a name that could be mentioned. So, him get a huge mirror. Him call it a magic mirror. And him put it in the center of the village square. And him say, any girl who could look directly into the mirror and not be afraid of what the mirror would reflect would be worthy of mention. You can imagine how much of them try. Girls come with them big degree. Girls come with them brand name clothes and brand name dress and brand name eyelash. Girls come with them brand name international crown for beauty contests, and them come from far and near, 1B1 and 2B2, and walk right up towards the mirror. And as it looked like the mirror would look back at them, them catch cold. Cold foot. Like a disease named the lack of confidence come over them, and they could not complete the walk. When the village exhausts all the girls and women who think they were worthy of being Mistress Mention, here comes the girl from Manitoba, the little girl from Manitoba, laughing spoil. Them say she did not finish primary school. She say them say that she could not afford a wig or nails. Them say all kind of things. Them say it's dressmaker make for her dress. But she hold her head up and she step past all who peep through them window and all who gather upon the street like it's a Christmas parade, and she walk right up to the mirror where Mr. Mention and his son were standing, one on one side and one on the other side. And she look on them, and then she look straight and direct into the mirror. And so she look, she fix up herself, and she brushed off the little dirt that blew up on her when she was walking coming. And she pat down her own hair upon her own head. Yes. And she blink her own eyelash upon her own eye. And she looked straight into the mirror and she recognized herself. Imagine how the laughter drop her grung when Mr. Mention declared that she was the only girl who could face herself without shame or fear or doubt and love herself same way. Because the mirror cannot reflect anything that it does not see. And that was the magic of the mirror. The biggest wedding in the village was when little Mr. Mention married the girl from Manitoba, the little girl from Manitoba. And so she wore she powder, and she smiled, she powder. The little girl from Manitoba.